Many people don't know about this about buying properties in Hawaii, the difference between fee simple and leasehold.
Oftentimes, a prospective buyer will be surprised by the low price of a particular listing. For example, a one-bedroom apartment for $100,000. In these cases, it's often because the property in question is a leasehold property.
Leasehold properties in Hawaii are characterized by a lease agreement between you, the unit or the homeowner, and the landowner. You have the right to use and occupy the property for a specific period of time, usually between 10 to 99 years. In other words, you don't own the land that your home or condo is sitting on, you're actually leasing it. Once the lease period is over, your condo or your home will revert back to the landowner, and the landowner does not have to pay you for it.
In comparison, a fee simple property offers full ownership of both the land and the home or condo.
Going into the pros and cons about owning leasehold property in Hawaii. 1. Limited control. As a lessee, you have limited control over the property because the landowner actually owns the property. As you get close to the end of the lease term, the homeowner or condo association will have much less incentive to improve the property because soon the condo or the home will have to revert back to the landowner. 2. Limited capital appreciation potential. Leasehold properties tend to decrease in value as you get closer to the end of the lease term. Also, as you get closer to the end of the lease term, the leasehold unit gets harder to sell and it's much harder to get financing. 3. Uncertainty. Lease rents are renegotiated over time. Once the fixed period of the lease ends, the renegotiated lease rent can be much higher. Also, there's no guarantee that the landowner will ever offer the fee interest. If the landowner does offer the fee interest, there's no guarantee on what price it will come out at. If the landowner never offers a fee, the condo or home will revert back to the landowner at no cost to the landowner.
1. Lower initial costs. Leasehold properties often have lower upfront costs compared to fee simple properties, making them more accessible for purchasers with limited capital. 2. Rate of return advantage. Leasehold properties offer a higher cash flow rate of return than fee simple properties because of the lower upfront costs. 3. Temporary housing. If you're a buyer looking for a prime location with minimal capital outlay and are agreeable for staying at the property for only a limited period of time, leasehold property may be a viable option. It would be similar to renting. Going on to the pros and cons of owning fee simple property in Hawaii.
1. Complete ownership. Fee simple property allows you the highest form of ownership, giving you full control of the house or the condo and the land that it's situated on. You can make any desired modifications or improvements. 2. Stability and security. You don't have to worry about expiring or renegotiating lease terms, providing you long-term stability and security for your investment. 3. Appreciation potential. Fee simple properties have higher potential for capital appreciation over time, allowing you to build equity and increase your investment value over time. 4. Preferable financing. It's much easier to get financing for a fee simple property than a leasehold property, and you have many more options.
1. Higher initial costs. Fee simple properties typically have a higher upfront cost compared to leasehold properties, which may require a larger initial investment. 2. Lower cash flow returns. Because the initial investment is higher for fee simple property, the cash flow return will be lower.
Ultimately, it's your choice whether you buy leasehold or fee simple properties. It depends on your risk tolerance, your financial capabilities, and your investment objectives. Consulting with a knowledgeable real estate agent can help you navigate through the complexities of Hawaii real estate and make informed decisions that align with your objectives.